Now we'll move on the work package 6, which is about communication and dissemination. And we wanted to start the presentation with a picture on the left side of one of the success. This is the award that HyPSTER has during the hydrogenes in 2022 for storage and energy. So this is a very great recognition for the project. So my name is Céline Châtaignier-Revoul.
My name is Céline Gomez.
So regarding the objectives of the work package, we have 5 objectives to achieve. So to regularly gather key strategic information, to identify and engage targeted early adopters of project results and other potential stakeholders, to disseminate and promote project objectives, events, opportunity via one-on-one meetings, to ensure dissemination to the scientific community, and to update and implement the dissemination and exploitation plans and ensure high impacts. We also have one milestone, which is written commitments of at least 3 replication or 3 hydrogen users. And in that work package, which is really transversal, all the partners are involved. So this slide is just to present the key figures of the main achievements of the project. And we'll go in the next slide in more details about all those achievements.
Okay, talking about the website, it was published at the beginning of the project in 2021. And the aim of the website was to explain the project and also to centralize all the documentation and publications and all this work of communication that has been done around the project. And so from the beginning of the project, the number of visitors of the website is of 16,000, which is quite a good result. And as you can see, the visitors come from many countries, not only countries interested in the project, but also you can see the first one is France, then United States, Germany, United Kingdom, Netherlands, Finland, and China. We also communicate about the project in our social media. In LinkedIn and X, we used Accelera account and page to send the information about the project. And we had more than 100 mentions in social media about the project, and we also had good results of view in LinkedIn. Our page has 6,400 followers. And here you can see all those contents that you can find in the website, like a flyer or leaflet. We also published and sent 5 newsletters to almost 200 subscribers. We realized 2 videos about the project, 3 podcasts, and all of these contents were published in our website, in HyPSTER project website, sorry.
So regarding the events now, the partners have been really active, and thanks to them, the the project has been presented in more than 46 events at conferences, scientific congress. So it gave lots of visibility to the project. And the initial objective in the project was 15 events, so it was well exceeded. We also organized two major events. The first one was the workshop, the first workshop in 2022, which gathered over 70 participants. And the second one was the HyPSTER's inauguration in Étré, and it was in 2033. And it also gathered more than 70 participants. So in the introduction, I talked about the Hydrogenes Award, but we also wanted to mention that the European Commission Innovation Radar has recognized several innovations from HyPSTER. So the first one about development of tests for tightness of salt caverns used for hydrogen storage, and the second one about blowout from a hydrogen storage cavern, major industrial accidental scenarios. And the Commission recognized as key innovators Storengy, Boar Consulting, and Inaris.
So we also worked with our press agency to communicate about some important information about the project, and this gave place to many articles in the press.
We also worked to promote the project at the beginning of the project with one-on-one meetings. So through Acceleras network, we've made some connection between Storengy and our home network, industrial stakeholders, and also we've made connection with international stakeholders. We also organized symbiosis meetings. They are really encouraged by the EU, and the idea is to create synergy between the different similar projects. So we organized 11 symbiosis meetings. Regarding dissemination to the scientific community, the partners also have been really active because they have published or submitted 17 scientific articles. And 4 of them are accessible on the website, are in open source. So you can go on our website and have a look on it. And we also find on the website 9 deliverables from the project. So the idea is really to share the knowledges. And to conclude, so the next steps is first to create an opportunity leaflets once we're going to have the final results. So the idea is to underline the main results of the project, to present and justify the benefits of using and investing in results, in project results. And the second one will be to continue to activate the communication and dissemination, so via HyPSTER and its partner, but also with other projects such as Imagine, which HyPSTER is involved in. And a few things to conclude. Through this multi-tool strategy, we could reach our main targets out, so general public, early adopters, scientific community, and stakeholders. And what we identified as a really success key factors was a very efficient dissemination with many publications and a presentation during events, and a really strong involvement of all the partners to be part of the communication of the projects. That's it.